There we go. You're good. Do you want me to record you shooting it or shooting out there?
Logan, your turn.
Not yet.
No, it's good.
I got a cigarette.
Oh, I see what you did.
I want to shoot the pistols first before I shoot more of the pistol. Let me look at you and see how the kick looks. Let me see what the kick looks like.
You don't hold that gun, it's going to kick up and hit you. Fine.
Holy shit.
Alright. Ready?
I want to fire that pistol again.
This one's out of ammo.
Oh.
I only bought that one mag to get you used to the...
Is there other guns I can shoot with a pistol?
You shoot my 40 cal?
Recoil's about the same, huh?
I want you to shoot this though. Just once.
Let me finish my cigarette.
Okay. You also got the 9mm. Just add a 9mm. You want to shoot this one?
Is it ready to go?
Now it is. Come on.
Take the phone.
You see the recoil on that sniper rifle? Like.
Yep, yeah. Make sure I hold it properly.
Hold it where, how I showed you hold it.
Hmm?
Down range, step up to the range.
Am I holding it right?
No.
You gotta make sure. Help me pull the trigger first.
You got it, Logan. Just pull the trigger, man. No, it's not.
I think it's out.
No, it's not.
Is everything alright? How much more?
There was 18 rounds in that thing.
Oh my god.
It would lock back, Logan.
Huh?
Keep on shooting it.
That's not, oh. It's not doing anything.
Here, take this.
Here, make sure it's alright. Okay.